Let me turn from there to a new political flashpoint in Kashmir over the death of an alleged Lashkar overground worker. The police say the suspects jumped into a stream to escape but drowned. His family and local political parties in the Kashmir Valley are now alleging possible custodial death. It's become another trigger for anger in the valley. Take a look.
The death of a suspected overground worker of the Lashkar-e-Taiba has become a political flashpoint in Kashmir. The police had picked up 23-year-old Imtiaz Ahmed for questioning in a case. Sources in the police allege Imtiaz admitted knowing about a Lashkar hideout during questioning. When he was taken to the location in Kulgam, the police allege Imtiaz jumped into a stream to escape. The body of Imtiaz was found on Sunday. The police have released drone footage to support their claims. Imtiaz's family, however, allege foul play. The ruling National Conference and opposition PDP have sought investigation into the death of Imtiaz.
एलजी साहब को गुजारिश करना चाहूँगी कि ये जो इम्तियाज़ अहमद हैं जिसको घर से लिया गया और बाद में उसकी लाश जो है उसको बरामद किया गया है, इसको जुडिशियल इंक्वायरी जो है वो होनी चाहिए ताकि जो सही बातें हैं वो सामने आएँ।
आप किसी को भी OGW का नाम देके उसको कत्ल करोगे क्या? कल जो आपने इम्तियाज को उधर मार दिया वो भी बहुत गरीब है। जब तक आप उसकी इंक्वायरी करेगी कम से कम इन फैमिलीज को कंपनसेशन मिलना चाहिए।
Recently, the dead bodies of 3 youth from Kulgam were found from the same Veshu stream. That case still under investigation. The death of suspected Lashkar overground worker Imtiaz Ahmed has once again brought the spotlight on the army and the Jammu and Kashmir police, who on their side claim that there is absolutely no foul play in this particular case. However, some unanswered questions remain, and to find answers to these very questions, it is the family as well as the political leadership of Kashmir who are demanding a judicial probe. With camera person Tariq Lone, Mir Farid, Srinagar for India Today.